The video you see here shows a dual working head dispensing machine. Dual working heads for dispensing operations at the same time, doubling the productivity and significantly accelerating the production speed, especially in high-volume production. Dual heads can be independently controlled to adapt to different shapes, sizes and requirements of the workpiece, support different dispensing valve work, flexible response to diversified production needs. Precise control of dispensing volume and position reduces errors and ensures product consistency and high quality. Wide adaptability of dispenser machine, support different viscosity of glue and a variety of dispensing mode, widely used in electronics, automotive, medical and other industries. This dispensing machine is a single working head dispensing, so let's see what the difference is. If you have two working heads, you can hook up different dispensing valve systems with different glues to achieve a high-speed multi-function dispensing. You can hook up different dispensing valve systems to meet different dispensing functions. For example, spray valves, filling valves, two-component dispensing valves. For more information, please contact us.